All our bags are packed, but we're not ready to go.
Ready na among mga bag guys, pero kami dili kami ready.
Loko lang yung ka. Saan na ihatag ko ka?
Dong,
Ewe.
sakay ka airplane dong?
Dili? Of course, sakay eh.
Ano ka, Soy?
Airport.
Ikaw, ka. We're leaving on a jet plane, jet plane. Nasa luggage.
Wow. Ano ba?
Huli niyo sila dahil.
Na nami sulod sa airport and we are waiting for our plane. Our plane. Among plane nga sakyan ba? Wala pa ni tupa among langgam oy. Ayan na, naana siya guys. Naana ang among langgam nga sakyan, Cebu Pacific. Yes, na jud mo sakay na jud may excited ang mga person nga nakulbaan. Oh my goodness. Good luck everyone. Good luck everybody.
Sakay na guys sa langgam. Sakay na sa langgam. Sa dako nga langgam. Isang malaking langgam.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew, who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt.
And we're on the plane guys. We're on board. Na nami sa sulod waiting na to fly. Ayun na, ready na mga first timers nga sakay og plane. Fasten your seat belts and be ready. Ready na to take off. Oh my goodness.
Crew will now take the
Wow na dyan ni guys. Sakay na dyan may plano for the first time. Hunat na dyan guys, mulupad na dyan ni. Kanang excited ka nga nakulbaan ka. Oy, Lord.
Oh, what a beautiful day with the ones I love. I'll always stay, living my best life, come what may. Together we shine in every way.
Nag-start na gid mi og pataas guys, na-accelerate na gid mi guys. Oh, nanami sa ibabaw.
What a beautiful day with the ones I love. I'll always stay, living my best life, come what may. Together we shine in every way. people. In this moment, hearts align, creating memories pure and divine. Oh, what a beautiful day with the ones I love. I'll always stay, living my best life. Come what
Nasa life flyers rin guys, inyo makita ang mga guide. Oops, mga nawong sa mga nakasakay og airplane for the first time. Suyo, Inday and May. Si Papa nasa layo, nasa likod. Oh, nakulbaan ang mga people. Nakulbaan ni sa mong biyahe. Okay, of course, first time na musakay og airplane and amo dyan yung i-record ang amo ang pagsakay kay amo ni first time. Importante ang tanang first time, o di ba? Makita na nimo ang mga clouds guys, dol na kayo na nata sa ibabaw.
living my best life. Come what may, together we shine in every way.
We just landed. We're in Cebu City.
Living my best life, come what may. Together we shine in every way. Friends around the picnic table, sharing dreams we're truly able. In this moment, hearts align, creating memories pure and divine. Oh,
Hello everyone, we have just landed. Sandgo welcomes you to Mactan Cebu International Airport in Lapu-Lapu City. Time check for your convenience, it is now 10 minutes past the hour of 4 in the afternoon, and we are pleased to announce that we have just landed 15 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of your entire Sandgo team, led by our flight deck crew, Captain Katapia, with First Officer Carl, and together with your cabin crew on this flight, we thank you for making Sandgo a part of your important moments. It was a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying.
And this time, sakay mi og bus. Gikan mi sa plane and masakay mi og bus sa designated area para paingon na sa airport nga building. Nice kay lang bus guys. Kaya ba ko nakakita og nga bus nga marag na stage sa likod. Na siya hagdan sa likod. Goodbye plane and hello Cebu City. We are here. Yay! We are so excited to explore Cebu again because it's been a long time nga wala nami nakabalik diri Lapita.
Say. Yeah, abot na yun, babe. We're here.
So see you to our next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.